The drivers who drove the car, is that carbon fiber from late 80s? What's up guys, welcome to the video, and here we have a legend from Mercedes and Sauber back in the 90s. This is the Mercedes Sauber C11, one of the most dominant Group C race cars ever built. It was debuted in 1990, and for the first time Mercedes actually put their name on the car instead of just letting Sauber run it. But before we get into the facts and cool features on this car, let me start with some fun facts. First of all, it's named C11 after the C9 and not C10 because C10 was really hard to pronounce in German. It would pronounce like C10, like kind of like sit down, but in my opinion that could actually be a cool statement. Although the debut was dramatic, the first C11 actually crashed in practice at Suzuka, but when it finally raced at Monza, it destroyed everything. Baldi and Mass qualified first and second, and from then on the C11 won every single race in 1990 except one, taking the championship super easy. The C11 was a big step forward from the C9. Instead of aluminium, it had a full carbon fiber chassis, lighter, stiffer, stronger. And at 320 kilometers per hour, this car made almost 6,000 pounds of downforce. And that's 4 times more than the C9. And it made it stick to the track like nothing else, like it was completely glued. It even had a rolling road wind tunnel program, something that no one else in Group C was doing back in that time. But for the engine, it was the same 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8, the Mercedes M119 engine. About 730 horsepower, perfectly balanced for the Group C fuel limiter rules, but if you cranked up the boost, it could push up to 850 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Absolute madness for the car in the 90s, which made this car so lovable by drivers like Mauro Baldi, who called it one of the best cars he ever drove. Even rivals like Martin Brundle admitted that the Jaguars couldn't match its downforce or fuel economy. Mercedes built only 6 chassis, and even years later the C11 was still winning in historic racing, like at the Le Mans Legend in 2012 and 2014. Now a quick walk around this massive beast here. We have these massive front headlights, which there is only one actually over there. Take a look at this old school technology we have here behind the front headlight. We have the Castrol Goodyear AEG, AEG stickers. Here we have this indication badge for the towing hook. We have the Mercedes logo being a sticker, not an actual badge like the CLK GTR. We have all these screws over here which attach the body panels together. This is just such an absolute legendary vehicle to be able to see. Take a look at this air duct we have in the front. That is so insane. I think they have closed it off somehow. We have these air channels, air vents on top of the front wheel arch to extract some heat and also the turbulent air. We have the Brembo brakes here behind the rims. This is just pure history for you guys. Take a look at this old school Pilot Sport Michelin tires we have here. This is just insane. We have Bilstein, Castrol, Goodyear, AEG stickers. We have this air duct over here to get some cool air into the exhaust systems, to cool off the exhaust system, and also the engine here in the back. We got these side view mirrors colored in the yellow. I don't know how anyone were able to see anything in the back. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. The drivers who drove the car. We have again another lock here for the engine bay cover. We got the Mercedes sticker. We got the Mercedes-Benz sticker on top of the rear spoiler. Sport Technique logo. Also over here, take a look how massive this rear wing is. This is just insane. And I can show you some of the stuff going on over here. I think this is the gearbox. And you can see all the wires and everything over here. This is just so insane to look at. Like, this is such a insane thing. And if I'm not mistaken, that is carbon fiber over there. Is that carbon fiber from late 80s? That's insane. We got the rear tail lights. One of them has some blue, some yellow circle around it. I don't know why that is. But this is just mind-boggling. So insane. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel with more beautiful videos like this, and also like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.